this is Kevin with the Compulsive Investor channel. Doing a tenant turnover today. Tenant moving out anyway. This is a tenant that she's 2 months behind in rent, and normally she's gotten behind before, and she's always gotten caught up. So I didn't think very much of it. She's been behind for over a year. She always pays late fees, so eventually she does get caught up. But anyway, for whatever reason, she's been struggling and she's not been able to get caught up this last time. So I contacted her and said she's gonna have to get caught up, and she said that she's gonna have to move because she can't afford it anymore. So I tried to work with her the best that I could, and she just wasn't able to get caught up. So she finally said in a recent text that she was going to have to move out. I don't anticipate the place being in bad shape because I've done inspections there before and it's always been clean. But I'm actually kind of excited about this because this is my old paint scheme that I used to use. You've seen some of my other videos. I do walkthroughs of my properties with my new paint scheme, paint scheme. The Saxon gray, and then I use a bright white, high white for the trim woodwork. So this is an old ugly brown color. I liked it when I first started using it, but since I went to my new scheme, this is the last one, the only one that hasn't been repainted yet. So this girl's been here about, I want to say 3 years, I think. So again, that's why I've been kind of cutting her slack, because even though she pays late, she does eventually pay and get caught up. But for whatever reason, this time she wasn't able to. So this is my duplex. It's an upper lower in Goodyear Heights. There's a 1-bedroom down below. I just turned that over last December, I think it was. No, last fall sometime I turned that over. So I went in there and refreshed that place. So this one here, I'm anticipating it shouldn't be bad, but because like I said, I've done inspections there a few times, and other than smelling like weed, which I can't stand anymore since I don't do that anymore. But other than that, I mean, I'll air it out and I'll clear that out, and then the paint will pretty much top it off. And some other things, I used to use carpeting on my stairs. I don't do that no more, so I'll be ripping that up, and I'll probably do a video on that later. But I'm going to do this walkthrough as soon as I get there, and see what I need to do for this rehab. I'm right in the middle of another one, so this one might have to be on hold for a couple weeks until I finish one I'm doing in Barberton. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Barberton. I got that one for rent right now. It's almost ready, so I'll have to finish that one before I can start on this one in Goodyear Heights. Goodyear Heights usually rents pretty fast. These ones not as much, or not as fast, only because it's an upper lower duplex. Not everybody likes that, but I mean, all considering, Goodyear Heights is a really good place to live. It's a nice neighborhood, second only to Ellet, that I think of when I look at my Akron neighborhoods. I love Ellet. I got one property there, but Goodyear Heights is my second favorite. I'm going to pause this and I will start up again when I start doing my walkthrough.